Hi, today's activity is roll it, say it, decompose it. So I'm going to show you how to do this wonderful activity in this Google Slides. You will notice here on the Google Slides, there is an option up here for dice. We're going to be using that. All right, let's get started. So we are here at slide 2, and we have 1, 2, 3 different boxes where we can create numbers. So let's get started. First thing we're going to need to do is roll the dice. So you click here and you tell it what number of dice you want to roll. Now you can see there are 6 boxes and this only goes to 5. So if you want to roll a 6-digit number, you're going to have to use virtual dice or regular dice or cards and do 6 of them. So let's click on 5 dice. So when you click on it, it rolls the dice. 3, 2, 1, 5, 1. Now, you're going to have to write this number down or remember it. So 3, 2, 1, 5, 1. So we always want to start in the ones place. Three, 2, 1, 5, 1. So these are like our place value boxes. This would be ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000s. And because we only rolled a 5-digit number, there's no 100,000s. So then we're going to write this number in word form. But remember, it's called roll it, say it. So you have to be able to say that number. So this number, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, is 32,151. Okay? So just like I said it is how I'm going to type it. 32,151. Now notice in between here notice I put a hyphen here and here. When it's 10,000s or tens and you have ones or 1,000s, you have to put a hyphen in between. Okay? Now let's write it in expanded form. Expanded form shows the value of each number. So we're going to start with the value of this digit 3. What is the value of the digit 3? Value. Okay, let's type it out. So that digit 3 is in the 10,000. So it's 3 10,000s or 30,000. The digit 2 is in the 1,000s place. So it's 2,000. The digit 1 is in the hundredth place. So it's 100. The 5 is in the 10th place. 5 groups of 10 is 50. And then 1. So that's expanded form. Remember, expanded form shows the value of each digit. And you might want to look 30,000, see this is the 3, and then I have to have a 0 for each place value. So how many zeros are behind 2,000? The 2 in the thousands place. Then how many zeros are behind the 1 in the hundreds place? How many zeros are behind a 10 in the tens place? Very good. Make those connections. A 6-digit number has to have 5 zeros. Excellent. Now let's do expanded notation. Now expanded notation shows groups of times the place value. So this is 3 groups of 10,000. So parentheses, 3 groups of 10,000. Here's the number of groups. Here's the place value. This symbol here means groups of, And then we're going to write it as a sum. So we're going to put plus. Then this is 2 groups of 1,000. Make sure you put the parentheses around it. 1 group of 100. 5 groups of 10. 1 group of 1. And it all equals 32,151 if you add them up. All right, now add it up. This is where you're going to take the expanded form and you're going to add them up after you put them vertically, stacking them by place value. So we'll start with 30,000. Then the next number has to start in the right place value. So this is 2,000. Then the next number, start in the right place value, 100. Then the next number is 50. Now see, I have to move it over because the 5 in 50, the digit 5 has to line up with the tens. And then the last one is a 1. Then we'll underline it, put the plus symbol in, and then all of this equals 32,151. All right, and so you will do it. You will do that same thing here. Now, if you'd like, you can actually put the place values up at the top so that you know which place values there are for expanded notation. Expanded form shows the value of each digit. Expanded notation shows you groups of. Just remember, come up here and roll your dice. All right. Enjoy and let the good times roll.